He's reaching. 3280, 72 stop, Peachtree Road and Sardis Way on a white Ford Transit van. Sam David Henry, 0651.
What's going on, boss? Officer Nuts for Atlanta Police Department. Reason for the stop: you can't be on that cell phone when you drive. You can roll that window down for me.
Absolutely. I was on my GPS. I'm just trying to.
You got your license?
I have a computer.
You all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. When's the last time you smoked, boss?
It's about yesterday. I smoked yesterday, but I ain't been smoking.
Yeah, man. You all right?
No.
No. Now, look, listen. In Atlanta, it's just a ticket. Now, if you lying to me, then we're gonna have to go home.
I got this.
All right, boss. Look, honesty go a long way.
Right.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. I smoked earlier.
I mean, it's a little, you know what I'm saying? A little two grand, man. This ain't nothing. All right, we're gonna get you out the car. We're gonna search the rest of the car. All right. All right, boss. Step out for me. Step out for me. Just turn around for me. Right here, boss. Boss, stop moving. Stop moving. Boss, stop moving. That's my last time telling you, stop. Stop.
Stop. We're gonna tease you, boss. Stop. Stop. You got nowhere to go now. Oh, stop.
Stop. We're gonna tase you.
Stop. Get on the ground. You got nowhere to go.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground. He's reaching. He's reaching.
About reaching.
Stop. Yeah, roll over. Roll the fuck over. Stop. You're gonna get tased again. Stop. Stop. I'm about to fucking tase you again. All right, give me the other arm. Give me the other arm. Give me. Radio, we got one in custody. Boss man, look. You all right? It's over now. You all right?
No, man.
All right, what's wrong?
No.
All right?
Yeah, we good.
Oh, yo, it's pounds.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Dude.
What I tell you, buddy?
Yeah.
Charlie Victor Yankee 3273 1878 Howell Silver Jean Charlie Victor Yankee 2373 678
Oh shit. It's meth. Meth. Bro, you see, bro, it's weed. Yeah.
If you can give the rest of them like that, that would